Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to convert to JPEG. So if you want to convert the Microsoft Word into JPEG, you can use the print screen tabs on keyboard. You can click and then you can open the Pine software like this, Pine, and you can click File, New. The next you can press Ctrl V to paste into this pen like this. After it, you can sort like I will sort from this point into here, and then you can use the crop tools. So to be create the word into JPEG. You also can click File, Save As, and you can change for the save types into JPEG. Set the names, and then you can click Save. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial, how to convert to JPEG. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.